Well, hi there. Welcome back. Today is a good day because I just got back from the machine shop. We got our little 283 back. Everything's ready to go. It's all cleaned up, board 30 over, crank turn 1010. Everything is cleaned. I took some of the parts and took them to a sandblaster place, had them all sandblasted. I'll show you that in a little bit. I'm also hands-free today. That's awesome. The wife got me some new fancy mounts and things for it. I also got a new microphone, so hopefully the wind, it is really windy out there today. Hopefully the wind is noise isn't too bad. So let's get started. I'm gonna have to move a bunch of stuff out of the way. My house is only a 3-car garage, so it's usually a game of Tetris whenever I need to work on something. So, anyway, you'll see. One down. Two down. Three down. Okay. Okay, we got everything situated. Let's see what we got. We got the intake manifold cleaned, media blasted, cylinder heads. They are surfaced. 3-angle valve job, guides, liners, hardened seats. We got pistons hung on the rods. We got the rods R&R'd, and we got new rod bolts put in. We got a crankshaft, turn 1010, and last but not least, we got ourselves an engine block. It is bored 30 over and cam bearings installed. Not too bad. Let's get it all unloaded and I'll show you a little better then. Okay, so it was too windy outside. I was trying to film it all outside, but anyways, we got it inside. I had to move the cars out so I could grab one of my engine stands over there and get the engine on the stand. So here it is, all cleaned, fresh from the machine shop, 30 over, little 283, recessed oil filter, 194 casting. So like I said, pistons and rods R&R'd, crankshaft 1010. I also had everything sent out and sandblasted, clean. There's the heads right there. They're 3-angle valve job ready to go. Here's a bunch of parts that are going to get cleaned up and put back on. So it's a big mess right now. So we're going to start putting this together And my garage is not normally this messy. But anyways, we're home from the machine shop. We are unloaded, and I think that's good for today.